welcome to yet another episode of the FHN Nightly Show. I'm Caleb, and I'll be your host for this fine episode. First on announcements, winter break is December 23rd all the way until January 3rd. But before that, just remember, we have 2 more Spirit Days after this week on Monday and Tuesday, so be prepared for those. Now, on to Jenna with the weather.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nightly Weather. I'm Jenna, and here is the weather for the week. The highs this week will be anywhere from 57 degrees to 35 degrees. The lows this week can range anywhere from 18 degrees to 40 degrees. I hope everyone enjoys their break, and I'll see you when we get back. Bye, nights!
Thanks for the weather, Jenna. On Monday, December 21st, the Ecology Club will be having their Christmas party. See Brock Smith for more information. And now we have Rachel and Emily cooking Red Lobster biscuits.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to your favorite cooking segment, Kooky Cooks. Today we will be making, or at least trying to make, Red Lobster biscuits, so let's get right into it. First, you will need to gather all of the ingredients and make sure to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You will need 2 cups of flour, roughly 1 cup of shredded cheese depending on your preference, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 2/3 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of butter, 1 large egg, and finally 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now that you have all those, begin by combining the shredded cheese, flour, baking powder, garlic powder, and salt in a bowl. Next, mix the milk, regular butter, and the egg in a separate bowl. The mixture should be a little chunky, so make sure not to overmix the batter. Then slowly dump the milk mixture into the flour bowl and use a mixer to make it all into one textured batter. Now that has been done, take the batter by the spoonful and place clumps of it on a buttered baking sheet. Cook them for about 10 minutes and take them out and spread the melted butter on the semi-cooked biscuits using a basting brush. Place them back in the oven for 5 more minutes. Now you're done. Sadly, they don't look exactly like the iconic Red Lobster cheddar biscuits, but they still taste pretty good.
Thanks for the cooking video, Rachel and Emily. That certainly looks like food. Up next, we've got a different Emily with a holiday segment.
Hi, my name is Rumessa Kulbani, and my favorite thing about the holidays is driving around and seeing all the houses decorate their outside and put some lights up and put on some inflatable Santas and stuff. I just think it's really festive and it really gets me into the mood.
My name is Stephanie Lichtenegger, and my favorite thing about the holidays is having my brother come home from college so I can visit with him, and having my grandpa come home from Texas so I can visit with him too.
My name is Justin Kringel. I'm a senior. My favorite thing about the holidays is just spending time with family and no school.
My name is Ray. My favorite part of the holidays is seeing family and enjoying time together, seeing everybody and just making memories. It's fun to do that, and especially around these times.
My name is Abby Keithley. I'm a senior, and my favorite part of the holidays is baking cookies with my mom because it's a thing we've done since I was little. So yeah, I really enjoy it, and it's something I look forward to every year.
My name is Haley Zhang, and I'm a freshman this year. And my favorite thing about the holidays is everyone decorating and just being able to see all the lights on the street.
Hi, my name is Ben. I'm a senior, and I'm really excited to just have a break from all of school and not have the stress of finals going right into break this year.
I'm also a pretty big fan of this holiday season, and there's some pretty good ways to celebrate it around our community, such as Christmas traditions on Main Street, there's a drive-in light show at Fort Zumwalt Park, and outdoor skating at Steinberg Park. For more information, check out the links in the description. Up next, we've got a preview of Gabe and Brandon's Keepin' It Low-Key podcast.
Hey everyone, this is Brandon from the Keepin' It Low-Key podcast, and this next clip is from our latest interview with Pickle Darling.
Yeah, sometimes I'll just if I'm stuck on ideas, I'll just go back through stuff that I'm like, oh, I found this thing from 4 years ago. There's something cool in that. Like Rin's Spin Cycle came from that. I just went through this thing that I made like 3 years earlier, just that little synth line, and just took that and made a new song out of that, I guess.
Cool podcast, guys. If you want more like that, be sure to check them out. Have you ever wanted to become a sub-custodian for Francis Howell North? Because that's a thing you can do now for $11.97 an hour. You must be 17 years old or older, and you should contact John Klein at johnklein@fhsdschools.org for more information. Now, on to Drip of the Week.
My name is Bryce James. I'm wearing a face mask, which costed like $1. This jean jacket, which costed probably maybe $50. A Spider-Man comic t-shirt. This costed around $20. These black jeans costed around $30. This belt was something like, I don't know, $20. And these shoes were around $100.
Looking great, Bryce. And finally, we have Pet of the Week. Here we have Abby Keithley's dog, named Gabby. Gabby has one eye, snores very loudly, and sleeps in a full-on bed every night. I think that's just about all we have for you today. Stay safe, FHN.